Now lastly we will calculate the coefficients b sub n on the Fourier series. Remember we have f of x equals to c naught plus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of a sub n cosine of nx plus b sub n sine of nx. So now we will multiply everything by sine of x. So f of x sine of nx equals to the constant times sine of nx or sine of kx, whatever you want. Plus here we will have a, well, I could do it faster. We will have sine of nx times the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of a sub n cosine of nx plus, I could put it like this, or plus sine of nx times the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of b sub n sine of nx. So let's take the defined integral from minus pi to pi dx So here is also we take out the constant and we just have this same term, so this would go to 0. Here we have cosine of x sine of an x, cosine of 2x sine of an x, so whatever of these terms goes to this term and goes to 0 times the constant, whatever it will be, 0. So we just have this where we have sine of x times sine of nx, or sine of x times sine of x sine of nx, sine of 2x sine of nx, sine of 3x sine of nx is this term, and all go to 0. The only term that we care is that of the defined integral from pi to pi of sine nx times sine nx, so sine square of nx dx. Just this term is the one that we care, because this will be pi times b sub n. So b sub n times pi. So actually I have that b sub n would be equals to the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x sine nx times 1 over pi. And these are the b sub n coefficients. We got that a sub n was the same. Actually, let me put it 1 over pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x cosine nx dx, and a sub naught divided by 2, that is c sub naught, is equal to 1 over 2 pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x dx. So let me arrange the Fourier series now with the coefficients. I have that f of x is equal to 1 over 2 pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x dx, plus the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of a sub n, that is 1 over pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x cosine of n x dx, plus all this is a sub n, so all of this times cosine nx plus, if you want, let me put this in brackets, plus a b sub n, that is 1 over pi times the defined integral from minus pi to pi of f of x sine of nx dx, times times sine nx. Sine nx out of the integral. So I put here some parentheses here, and I close all these parentheses that goes for the summation. So this is the Fourier series, or the Fourier expansion of the function f of x when we have a period of 2 pi.